In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send dynamic data to a template in Sendgrid and send mail with a predefined HTML email template. If you've been looking to streamline your email marketing process using Sendgrid, this guide is perfect for you. We'll go through the steps together, making the process straightforward and efficient. So let's get started. First, we'll need to navigate to the Sendgrid website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Sendgrid's email API and email marketing campaigns. Once you're on the Sendgrid homepage, the next thing you'll want to do is sign in. Locate the Sign In button, typically found at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. Enter your login credentials to access your Sendgrid account. Upon signing in, you'll land on the dashboard. The dashboard is your main hub, providing an overview of your activities and options within Sendgrid. It's an essential part of the process, as it allows you to manage and personalize your email campaigns effectively. If you're not already directed there, click on the dashboard section to ensure you're on the correct page. With the dashboard open, we now want to focus on the email API, which is crucial for sending emails programmatically. You'll see a section labeled Email API on the dashboard. Click on it to proceed. This part of Sendgrid is where you will find all the tools you need to send dynamic emails using predefined templates. Once you've accessed the Email API section, the next step is to find the Dynamic Templates option. Click on Dynamic Templates to start managing your email templates. Sendgrid's dynamic templates allow you to customize your emails by using variables, so each recipient receives personalized content. As you navigate these sections, remember that the user interface of Sendgrid is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, allowing you to focus on crafting effective email campaigns without getting bogged down by technical details. If you're ever unsure of where you are, simply return to the dashboard and start over. To summarize, sending dynamic data to a template in Sendgrid is as simple as signing into your account, navigating to the email API, and utilizing dynamic templates to customize your emails. This method not only saves time but also enhances your email marketing strategy by providing a personalized experience for each recipient. That's it for today's guide. Remember, the key to successful email campaigns is personalization, and with Sendgrid's dynamic templates, you're equipped to do just that. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any steps, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy emailing,